Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view all keyboard shortcuts in WhatsApp Desktop, step by step. If you want to learn faster ways to use WhatsApp on your computer, this is where you can find every shortcut in the settings. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Desktop on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, click the Settings icon in the bottom left corner of the app. From the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Here you will see a full list of all available shortcuts for WhatsApp Desktop, including chat navigation, messaging actions, and quick controls. You can go through the list to learn each shortcut and understand what it does. This section is very helpful if you want to use WhatsApp more efficiently and save time while chatting. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view all keyboard shortcuts in WhatsApp Desktop through the settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.